Good morning, children. Today we discuss about some topics on this chapter, atoms and molecules. The first topic is we have studied how to find the molecular mass. What is molecular mass? The mass of each atoms present in a compound. Okay. What is molecular mass? The total mass of or total sum of each atoms present in a compound is called molecular mass. Here I take one example, aluminium sulfate. To know this, you should know to write the formula. Okay, first we write the formula of the compound. This is a compound name. Okay, we write its molecular formula. To write the molecular formula, you have to write the symbol of each element. What is the symbol of aluminium? Al. First letter should be capital letter, second letter should be small letter. And write its valency. It is 3 plus 3. The valency is 3. Okay. And sulfate formula is SO4. And its valency is 2 minus. Okay. Now you are going to write again symbol, only symbol. This is called valency. You are going to write once again only symbol. Aluminium sulfate. And this is one element. This sulfate is made up of more than one element. That is sulfur and oxygen. How do you know? It is both are capital letter. If more than one capital letters are there, you just put in bracket. Put those radically in the bracket. Okay. Now crisscross. You know what is crisscross? This 3 you write this side and this 2 you write this side. Okay, at the base of aluminium. So at last you will get Al2SO4 thrice. This is the formula of aluminium sulfate. And how will you find out the mass? Molecular mass. You add the mass of each atoms present in a compound. For example, we are going to find the mass of this aluminium sulfate. So you have to find first formula. Okay, formula we have found. Now, how many aluminium is there? 2 aluminium. How many sulfur? 3 sulfur. And how many oxygen? 3 4s are 12. 12 oxygen. Okay. Now, and this each atom has its own mass. Each element has its own mass. Aluminium, mass of aluminium is 37. Sorry, 27. Okay. And sulfur mass is 32. Mass of sulfur is 32 U. U means unified mass. And each oxygen mass is, what is that? 16 U. Okay. Most probably these values will be given in the exam. Okay. Understood? How many aluminium elements are there in this compound? 2 aluminium and sulfur. This bracket is common for this both the elements. 3 should be added. Okay, 3 is common for these both elements. So sulfur, you will have 3 sulfur and oxygen. How many atoms of oxygen? 4 3s are 12. Okay, 12 oxygen. Now each element has its own mass that is given here. Now substitute here. 2 into 2 times aluminium, isn't it? Each aluminium 27 and a plus 3 times sulfur. Sulfur you will have 32 plus 12 times oxygen. Oxygen you will have 16. So you multiply first, then add, you find it overall mass. Getting? This is a mass of aluminium sulfate. This is a molecular mass of aluminium sulfate. Okay, and question can be asked, how many atoms are present in this aluminium sulfate? How many atoms? 2 atoms of aluminium, 3 atoms of sulfur, and how many atoms of oxygen? 12 atoms of oxygen. Finally, you will have overall how many atoms? 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 12, 27. Am I correct? 27 atoms. 17 atoms. Add 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 12, 17 atoms are present in this molecule. Question is, write the number of atoms present in the molecule of aluminium sulfate. Otherwise, write the formula of aluminium sulfate or find the molecular mass of aluminium sulfate. Then calculate and find the answer. Okay. The next question is examples of polyatomic ions. This word is most important, polyatomic. What is atomicity? You know. What is atomicity? Number of atoms present in a molecule. For example, this is a molecule. Molecule of hydrogen. What is atomicity? 2. And what is the atomicity of water? 2 plus 1. So how many atoms? 3. Atomicity of this compound is 3. Clear? Only count the atoms. The base one gives you atom. 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Overall 3 atoms. What is the atomicity of NaCl, sodium chloride? First write the formula. Then only you can count. Sodium 1 atom, chlorine 1 atom, and you will have 2 atoms. Clear? Now question is polyatomic ions. This is for ions, this is for molecule, polyatomic molecule. Now it is ions. Okay, you have to, you know the charged particles. They may be positive, they may be negative, isn't it? Or they may be dipositive, divalent. Or, okay, these are the examples of ions or charged particles. Now question is polyatomic ions. These are ions and it is monoatomic ion. It is also 1 atom of iron. This one 1 plus 1, 2 atoms of iron. Diatomic ions. This is 3 plus 1. Nitrogen you are having 1 and you are having oxygen 3. Total 4. Okay, 4 atoms. So this can be called polyatomic ions. If the charged particle has more than 3 atoms, we can say polyatomic ions. Clear? And this is only 2 atoms, isn't it? Atom means you look at the base. How many atoms are present? 2 atoms are there present. So it is diatomic ions because it is ions, charged particles. So diatomic ions. And what about this? Nitrogen 1, oxygen 3. So overall it is 4 atoms, isn't it? There is 4 atoms. So you can say polyatomic ions. Why is it called ions? Because it carries charged particles. Because it carries charged particles, so it is called ions. Why is it called polyatomic? If the ion group of radical contains more than 3 atoms, here 4 atoms, isn't it? So it is called polyatomic ions. Understand? Before we have seen polyatomic molecule, there is no charge. Now it is polyatomic ion. Ion means it carries charged particles. Clear? Next one is divalent ion. What is divalent? Valent means you have to see at the top. Valency should be 2. Okay, this is divalent. What is valency? You look at the top, not the lower case. Lower case shows about number of atom. Okay, this gives you atom. Top one shows valency. Okay, here it is 1 plus 1 valency. Here also 1 valency. Here also this radical has 1 valency. It has 2 valency. So if the valency is 2, it is called divalent. Okay, if the valency is 1, here also 1, here also 1. So it is called monovalent ion. Now what is monoatomic ion and monovalent ion? We will see. Difference between monoatomic ion and monovalent ion. Here atomic, here valent. What is the difference? But both are carrying charge. The result is called ion. I will tell you. For example, Na plus. Here it has only 1 atom. And what is that? It carries ion. That is means charge. So 1 atom, charge carrying particle have only 1 atom is monoatomic. Okay. Monoatomic means atom should be one with charge. Okay. Monoatomic means one atom with a charge. This also. Then another example, O2 minus. This is also another example of monoatomic ion. Why? Atom is one. Okay. This is iron. This is charge with a monoatom. You see, look at base. Base gives the atom, number of atom. Here only one atom. So this is called monoatom and having charge. So it is called ion. Here also base you see only one atom. So monoatom and it carries charge. These are example of monoatomic ion. Now what is monovalent? Monovalent means valence should be 1. Monovalent means valence should be 1. It may be positive charge or negative charge. For example, hydroxyl group. Understood? Monovalent means valence. See, look at the top. Valence is 1. Okay, nothing is there means 1. And this also Na plus. So valence is 1. So that is called monovalent with ion. Are you clear? Monovalent means you look at the top. Atomic means look at the base. Atom should be 1. Here monovalent means valence should be 1. Maybe positive or negative. Positive or negative. Clear? Next one is electropositive and electronegative. What is electropositive? And what is electronegative? Okay, what is electropositive and negative ions? The charged particles which carry positive charge. The radical which carry positive charge is called electropositive. The charged particles or radical which carry negative charge is called electronegative. In this, among this radical or among this charged particle, who are electropositive? Who carry positive charge? This is electropositive. This is electropositive. Who are electronegative? That means who and all carrying negative charge? This is carrying negative charge, so it is electronegative. This is also electronegative. Okay, any group which carries negative charge is called electronegative ion, which carry positive charge is called electropositive ions. Clear? Next topic is how to find the moles. You know, one mole means number. Mole means peak. That means pile. Pile means group. Large group. 1 mole of this pen. Do you know how many number it includes? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 number of pen. 1 mole has these many numbers. 1 mole of duster means 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 number of dusters. And 1 mole of hydrogen atom. How many number? The same number of hydrogen atom. 1 mole of hydrogen molecule. Molecule means free state. I told you this is atom, this is molecule. Hydrogen molecule. How many numbers? Same number of 6.022 to 10 raised to 23 number of H2 molecules. Okay, what does it mean? It is a peak. Mole means group. Group number. Only it denotes number. Okay, now we will see how to find the number of moles. You are given, see here, the question you are given 20 gram of hydrogen gas. Find the number of moles. Okay, number of moles equal to, formula is the number of moles equal to given mass by molecular mass. What is, how to find the number of mole? How to find the number of mole? That it denotes small n. Given mass by molecular mass. Given mass is denoted by small m. Molecular mass is denoted by capital M. Okay. Now, number of moles equal to what is given mass? 20 gram. What is the molecular mass of this hydrogen? One hydrogen carries how many gram? 1 gram. So 2 hydrogen is 2 gram. Okay, it is fixed. 2 gram. Molecular mass of hydrogen is, you know, hydrogen equal to 1. So 2 hydrogen equal to 2 gram. So now gram cut, that is 10. So number of molecules, how many moles? 10 moles. In this gram of hydrogen, 20 gram of hydrogen, how many mole it is? It is 10 mole. Clear? And unitary method also you can do. This is formula based. How do you unitary method? The other method is 1 mole of hydrogen equal to, the hydrogen molecule is how many gram? 2 gram of hydrogen equal to how many mole? 1 mole. Okay. Therefore, 1 gram of hydrogen molecule equal to 1 by 2 mole. Therefore, how many gram you are having? 20 gram of hydrogen molecule equal to 1 by 2 into 20 mole. So, at last how will you get, what is a mole? 10 mole you will get. Okay. 20 grams of hydrogen gives 10 mole of hydrogen. Clear? You can follow formula based method also or unitary method also. Which one you prefer? You can go for that. Next one is, suppose you are provided with number. Okay, this many number of hydrogen you are having. How do you find out the number of mole? So number of mole equal to given number by Avogadro number. Okay, this is denoted by capital N, this is N naught. Okay, and a number of mole equal to, you are having 2.06 into 10 raised to 23 number of hydrogen molecules, and find the mole. Okay, this many number of hydrogen you have provided, and they are asking you to find the mole. How to find out? If the number is given number by Avogadro number, you will get the mole. What is the given number? And what is the Avogadro number? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. And you cut it, and accordingly you will get the answer. Number of mole you will get. Clear? If it is gram, if the gram is given, you can do given weight by molecular weight. Okay. If the number is given number by Avogadro number, you will get the number of moles. Clear? If it is in gram, okay, number of molecule, how will you find out? Given weight by molecular weight. If it is given number, how do you find the number of moles? N equal to given number by Avogadro number. It is fixed, Avogadro number is fixed. Okay. Okay. Shall I give one more question? Okay, you are provided with 26 gram of N2. Find the number of moles. How do you find the number of moles? Number of moles equal to given weight by molecular weight. What is given weight? 26 gram. What is molecular weight? 1 nitrogen weight is 14. So 2 nitrogen weight is 28. This is fixed. So now you cut it and find out the answer. This is the way you find the number of moles. Okay. If the weight is given, we can easily find out the number of moles. Given weight by molecular weight. For that you should know the weight of each atom. Clear? That's all. Revise the topic. Thank you.